welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's Glossybox time. I am super excited for this. Christmas Glossybox. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. It's a beauty box and it is £10 plus delivery. Oh my goodness, look at this box. So pretty. Look at that. Generally, Glossybox is a pink box. We got one of the too high up, I can't get them. They're generally a pink box with black writing. However, they do special edition ones. I've got a trick and a treat one up there. I've got the all I want one, and this is the Christmas, which is all that glitters. This box is sent to me by Glossybox, which is so lovely of them, and they know that I love them lots. But let's just get into it. I've just been outside moving my car and I'm all flushed and sweaty. It's not nice, is it? Let's have a look. So this is the box. I've seen no spoilers for this. Oh, look how pretty it looks. All that glitters. Let's have a look. Oh, we did it without ripping it. I never do that. I always rip it. This is the box. Oh, okay, I've just dropped something. Let me grab that. So this is the Incredible Pore Strip with charcoal. Removes blackhead too. I love nose strips. Now this box has completely sold out. Completely and utterly sold out. It sold out in November, which is, I'm not surprised really, to be fair, because Glossy smash it every month. But this is sold out, so if you order now you will get like a welcome box, but you won't get this box, but you will then be on January's one to get the actual January box. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys, where you can get 20% off if you wish to do so. I would. So yeah, I love stuff like this. This is a little pore strip. Let's have a little look and see. Oh, I think there's 6 things. There's 6 things. Yeah, there's 6 things. It's normally 5 things. But I think this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Okay. Merry Christmas Glossies. It's a month to add a sprinkle of glitz and glamour to our beauty collection, so we've not held back. This December, we're bringing you 5 full-size products plus an extra treat. 3 standout makeup products, 2 skincare gems, and a limited edition mythical body wash will ensure you're prepped and in the mood for a magical Christmas. Kissable berry red lips to radiant skincare and shimmering makeup. That All That Glitters edit is perfect for the go glamour, and you'll look and feel fabulous for the party season. So Glossy's shine bright this Christmas. Then we've got a sneak peek for January, which is a full-size deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face, eye and night cream worth £98. What? That is a sneak peek for January. Oh, it's exciting. So this little pore strip, this is the extra treat, and this is £3.50. So that's an extra treat, and that's really cool. I love getting pore strips. I'm just like peeling them off, and then I just love it. That was a really good face. Let's jump into the actual products. So we've got a Beauty Boulevard Divine Hydrogel Lip Mask. I've had one of these before, and I absolutely love them. They are awesome. This is £7.50 for plump, smooth, kissable lips. Look no further. Formulated with green tea extracts and moisture boosting hyaluronic acid. These masks rescue dry lips, which they do. I have always got chapped lips. My camera just doesn't want to focus on it because they're so gross. And I use these. I think I've had like 3 of them. I use them probably like once a month, and they do just magic. So that's definitely an awesome thing. Oh my god! Oh my god! Unicorn. It's imperial leather, and it's cosmic unicorn limited edition moon and sparkles unicorn dust. What? That looks amazing. The kids are gonna just, I'll get them in a minute and show them. Let's have a snifter of this. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. What do you smell of? I'm so rubbish at placing smells. So this is £1.99. And this is, we couldn't resist injecting some fun into our daily shower routines. Inspired by cosmic moons and sparkles, it will leave your skin soft and magically scented with pink grapefruit, citrus and floral aromas. Who doesn't want to shower like a unicorn? I know I do. That's awesome. Okay, what are we grabbing next? Deuce. This is a Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in the colour Winterberry. Oh, that's a pretty colour. They're really pretty. That's a really pretty colour. So this is, yeah, Deuce. I think it's Deuce. Relentless matte lip crown winterberry, reminiscent of mulled wine and winterberries. This rich, bold red lip crown couldn't be more Christmassy if it tried. Long lasting, deeply pigmented, it glides on smoothly and has an on trend ultra matte finish. Pair with an LBD or a cute jumper for a chic daytime look. £16.95. That's full size. Amazing. What are you? Bella Pierre shimmer roll for eyes and face. Where are you? Where are you? This is £19.99. Oh my goodness. So this shimmer and champagne are Christmas essentials, so you'll love this lustrous champagne shimmer roll. Iridescent highlighter glides on and contains pure pigment that blends seamlessly. Used to highlight your cheeks, cheekbones, eyes and body for a festival glow. Let's get some of this on my... Oh my god. Oh, whoops. Shit the bed. Oh my goodness. Oh, I literally just want to paint my whole face. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Fuck. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's the children out there, obviously, because I have children. They make horse noises when they want. And then our final item is a Nico Pro Liquid Jelly Blusher in Barley. I don't need blush. We don't need blusher on my face. Shimmers of gold combined with beautiful pink hue to give your cheeks a flush of colour and natural sparkle this winter. We love the unique jelly formula that's hydrating, pigmented and lightweight. Apply a small amount of blush to your apples of your cheeks. Oh my goodness, it's just... Let's have a little look. Oh wow. It's like a corally kind of colour. I haven't put my finger in the pot, I just tapped the lid. So I will be giving that probably to my sister-in-law, I think. Wow. Oh my goodness. I definitely don't need blush. That's a really pretty colour though. That's a really nice colour. She says she doesn't need blush because she's pink and then just, it's pretty. Oh, now I'm just very shimmery and pink. I like it though. I like it. That's really cool. And that, you can see the colour on there, that's now dried down already. So that's really cool. I like it. I think that's a really cool box. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to show the kids. That is amazing. That is going to go on my eyes tomorrow. I'm super, super excited to try that. Yes. So, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm currently doing a Christmas giveaway that I will link somewhere. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. I'm going to get one of my children in and show them this and see what they think. Come here, babe. Mummy's got something to show you. Put your llama down. She's dressed as Santa. What is this? Yes, please. Unicorn stuff. I'll just have water. Unicorn stuff for the bath. That cool. Should we take it to Nana's? Go show Nana. Right. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.